Alright, today on the channel, something a little different. This will be me pulling apart and stripping my 2000 RM250 two-stroke cylinder head, getting it ready for a replate. So you don't have to pay the company or the person that's plating it for you or your machinist to strip your cylinder head for you. You can do it yourself, save yourself a bunch of money. I recommend I'm going to need an 8, but I recommend loosening all these first, which I've already went around and did, so then I can just run them out real quick with the impact. I don't normally just impact things, but to make it a little bit easier for the video, as you see, they're just coming out simple. You're going to want to organize all your bolts. Okay, find my screwdriver here. Like a hammer. I don't have one with me right now, so I'll just go like this. Technically, you should be doing this procedure once per season to keep your exhaust valve all nice and clean, so you don't have any issues with it blocking up or sticking on you, which is something that happens when you get it all nasty like this and you don't clean it and you let it sit for a while, and you do drive it again and it burns all this stuff to really dry instead of being watery and liquidy. When it's liquidy, it's still easy to clean. When it's and the exhaust valve still functions. When it's really dry and caked and all sooty, that's when it stops working. See, I got to this one before it was all dry. As you can see, that's all wet. Yeah, which is what you want. Which is what you want to clean out before. You want to get to it like this before. And this is not me cleaning the cylinder. This is me just getting some stuff out of the way because there's other stuff in there I gotta get. Or it will be in a second. Okay, switch my tool. Back to the 8mm. This is the first half of 2000 that has an internal water pump. And no, guys, it's not a 1999. 1999 and the first half of 2000 had an internal water pump. The second half of 2000 had an external water pump. Why Suzuki decided to do that and be really stupid, I have no idea, but it is what it is. Put it over on the other side. Take this side out. Again, I have had some of this stuff all pre-loosened ahead of time with the ratchet. I'm actually working in my living room. Cold out in the garage today, so I'll have to pull that out once I get the other piece out. The retainer, bolt on the inside. Oops, no, that stays over here. I'm trying to keep all my parts separated so I know what side of the engine they came from, but it's a two-stroke, it's simple. I have the manual for this engine anyways, or the whole bike, which makes it a lot easier. I just tap them like that on the back of my screwdriver, which is one of those ones that has a metal piece to give it a little bit of shock to make everything easier just to pop up and out. Oops. What did I just set over there? Now I gotta flip it over and retrieve the piece that came out. That was the part that I was talking about that I still have to retrieve. Now we're gonna go and attack all these. Oh, I forgot I had one out because it was a different bolt. Because I have hoses that go past that spot on my bike, so I have a little thing that goes there that restrains the wires and the hoses. Ooh, nasty. Look at that, nasty. See, this is why you gotta clean it. See this right here? Not the gasket, I'm talking about the mess in there. I came out with the spring. Dump retainers out. Oh, you know what I just noticed? I might actually, I don't know if I have Allen keys up here. Please tell me this isn't an Allen key. And it's an Allen key. Alright, well, give me a second. I'll have to go look. And actually, hold on a second. Maybe I'll get lucky. My screwdriver set here will have some. I didn't realize I was going to be coming to a spot that had Allen keys in it. Should have really read the manual ahead of time to see what I was going to be coming across. And of course, this is not a metric one, right? Nope. Huh. Go figure. Start a video and I can't even do it because I don't have the right stuff. Yeah, and see, no pause. Give me a second here. I don't know if I have any metric Allen keys in the house. This is gonna kind of suck. Sweet. I hate starting videos and then having to stop. Oh wow, look at that. That actually is something that fits. If this works, please. Wow, geez, look at that. Thank you, little. Yeah, well, it's a kit that I use. I guess it saves me. This is what I use to like disassemble my computers and DeWalt battery packs and crap like that. Because it's small and has stuff I need in it. Okay, well, let's see. What kind of stuff do I need to pull this out? Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. Okay, so it looks like we got some more star heads in here. Ooh, those are gummy. An impact, that's where an impact helps, right there. Hopefully you guys can still see me. I apologize if I put my head in the way by accident. There we go. Normally I have a helper here to hold my stuff, but my helper is my cameraman today, so take these nasty ass things out. I'll make a different video of putting it all back together, because I'll have to clean all this stuff and do stuff to it before I do it. And putting it back together means I'm going to have to get the thing plated first. So which way does this rod come out? That side. Alright. I recommend finding something that's about the size of that and just sticking it in there, and kind of just, what you're doing here is you're tapping this bar out. See this bar going across the center of it? You're essentially just tapping that out. Oh, that's hitting something. Hit the table soon. Again. I think I was using was too big for the hole. You want to hold that for me there? Pull the main rod out, and from here it's essentially just pull these pieces out. That central section comes out. How does this work? Oh, I see. Flip it upside down and pull out the retaining bolt from underneath. Then there's a star head screw down here. I'll have to I feel like it's gonna jump, so I won't do that. What we'll do is we'll go back.
Yeah, just always use that.
Always use the impact, or better says, just in case. I want to play again. Oh. Okay, so that snapping was it coming loose, and not it stripping. Essentially, it's just
nasty.
Yeah, that's not nice. Ew. The guy I got the bike from clearly never ever did this or cleaned it, so it's someone else's problem, which would be mine. But you know, I like the bike, so for me it's worth it. That is essentially all I have to take off of it now to get it ready for replate. I will stick it in a barrel of aerosol or mineral spirits and clean it all up and make it nice and clean before I send it away. It's probably going to go to CV Tech AAB in Quebec as I'm in Canada, and that's the biggest, closest, well not like closest, but best well-known place around me. I could send it stateside to Millennium Tech, but I'm in Canada, so that's be a pain in the ass, and it may not be worth the shipping. Yeah, essentially from here on out, it's just clean it up and get it ready for replate. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.